So we are on Unit 1, Lesson 5. Today is Friday, August the 28th, 2020. I've been noticing that some people have not been putting the date on their paper. Please take time now to do that, even if you have to pause the video. Then our word problem today is Sammy had 14 fish. Draw his fish below and draw circles to show the pairs. Is 14 even or odd? Draw them in pairs as you go. That'll make it easier. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. If they fit in pairs with no left over, then that is an even number. So on your answer line, all you need to do is write the word even, E-V-E-N. So here's some doubles. We call these doubles because it is never added to itself. 8 plus 8 is 16. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. 7 plus 7 is 14. 6 plus 6 is 12. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. 9 plus 9 is 18. All right, here we are again circling the pairs. So there's pairs, but you have this fish here. He's odd, the odd man out, sometimes we say. And so if you divide them into pairs and you have one left over, then the number is odd. So you can read this sentence. If they do not fit in pairs, it's an odd number. All right. Those all fit in pairs. So even, if they fit in pairs with no left over, then there's an even number. Okay. Paul went for a bike ride. He left his house at 5 p.m. and rode his bike for 1 hour. Label the clock, it's been labeled for you, and use it to show what time Paul finished riding his bike. So then you have to answer the question, what time did Paul finish riding his bike? So if he started at 5 looks like this, but then an hour later, he rode it for an hour. If you go the minute hand goes all the way around the clock and you add an hour to 5 o'clock, it becomes 6 o'clock. And to represent 6, you have an hour hand. The hour hand is always shorter. The hour hand points at the number. It doesn't go past the number, but the minute hand goes past the number to the edge. And it kind of makes sense that it goes to the edge because that's where you will see you can label your clock with the minutes. So if Paul went for a bike ride and if he left his house at 5 p.m. and he rode his bike for 1 hour, you would label the clock like this. He finished riding his bike at 6 p.m. So 6, a colon, that's those 2 dots, 0, 0.